Welcome back to the Beginners channel. Today we'll discuss some more problems regarding the topic of complementary relationship. In the complementary relationship, we have seen one example in last class. We'll see some more problems regarding this topic. So first question here. Show that tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 is equal to 1. Okay. Let us write this here. Okay, let us write this question here. Tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Okay, this we consider. Okay, how you calculate, how you find this question coming from complementary relationship? How I said one tip, that is sum of two angles is 90, means that is from complementary relationship. Okay, 48 degrees plus 16 degrees is what? Is it 90? No, it is not 90. It is 64. Okay, 48 plus 42 is what? Yes, this is 90. That means you can apply complementary relationship for these two terms. And 16 plus 42, what you will get? 58. No, it's not 90. 16 plus 74 is what? It is 90. So you can apply complementary topic on these two terms. So I rearrange these things with tan 48 degrees into, I am bringing it to this side and bringing this to that side. So tan 42 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Okay, here we can write 48 in terms of 90 minus something. 90 minus something is what? Tan 90 minus 42 degrees is 48. 42, 90 minus 42 is 48. Okay, into tan 42. Here tan 16 we can write in terms of 90 minus something, that is 90 minus 74 degrees is 16 into tan 74. Okay, tan 90 minus theta is what? Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. We have seen that. So cot what? Cot 42 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 90 minus theta cot theta, that is cot 74 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Okay, that means here cot theta into tan theta. I said this is a reciprocal relationship. Here cot theta into tan theta is also that. That means this value is 1, this value also 1. That means which is equal to 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. So we have shown this value equal to 1. So this is the solution for this problem. We'll see another problem regarding this topic. Next question. They asked to show that cos 36 into cos 54 minus sin 36 into sin 54 is equal to 0. Okay, that is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to 0. Then they want to ask this question. And this question we can write in two manners. That is what? We have seen one important relationship. What is that? That is cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. If you compare this to this thing, you find this is similar. Cos A cos 36, cos B is cos 54. Here sin A sin 36, sin B sin 54. That is here same relationship with A is equal to 36 degrees and B is equal to 54 degrees. That means here this value cos 36 I'm writing here cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees is equal to cos a plus b, that is 36 plus 54, which is equal to what? Cos 90. Cos 90 is what? We know cos 90 is 0. So we proved this is equal to this 0. This is the way of approach, one way of approach. The another way of approach is from complementary relationship. So here we do the problem under this complementary angles topic. So we are doing like this: cos 36 into cos 54. So here I can write 36 in terms of 90 minus theta, that is 90 minus what? 90 minus 54 is equal to 36 into cos 54 minus sin 36 in terms of 54. What is that? Sin 36, that is 90 minus 36, 90 minus 54 into sin 54. Here cos 90 minus 54, what you will get? Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So cos 90 minus 54 is sin 54, sin 54 into cos 54 minus here sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So here cos 54 into sin 54, that is AB minus BA, sin 54 cos 54 minus cos 54 sin 54. These two values are same. Something a minus a or x minus x, something is equal to something minus something, which are same, which is equal to 0. This is the one more way of approach for doing this problem. Okay, we will see some more problems. Okay, this is the next question. What they are given is, if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a angle 2a is an acute angle, that is 90 less than 90 degrees, 2a value is less than 90 degrees. Find the value of a. This is the question. They have given one relationship, that is tan 2a, which is equal to cot a minus 18. From this, he is asking find the value of a. How to find the value of a? We can use complementary relationship. How to know we use complementary topic here? Because they are asking tan and cot. So these two are reciprocal to each other and complementary to each other. So tan cot, I can't do anything regarding reciprocal, because reciprocal applicable only if you have something one. But here these are equal symbol, so we go for complementary relationship. So if I write this in terms of 90 minus theta, okay, how tan 2a is what? Here I am writing what we discussed in the last class. Tan theta, that is tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Okay, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Next thing here cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Here we have tan theta. We want to represent this in terms of cot, because here cot exists. If you want to compare these two angles, these two trigonometric ratios, trigonometric functions should be same. That means here tan, here cot should not be equal, these angles. If we have both the sides cot or both the sides tan, then only the angles should be equal. So here I am converting this tan into cot. So here tan theta value is what? Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So I can write here cot 90 minus theta 2a, which is equal to what they have given, cot a minus 18. Now I can cancel cot and I can say these two angles are same. So here angle 90 minus 2a, which is equal to a minus 18. These two are same. So from this, if you rearrange these things, you will get the answer. I am sending this 2a to that side. I am bringing that 18 to this side. So what you will get, 90 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a. A plus 2a is what? 3a. 3a is equal to 108, which is equal to a is equal to 108 divided by 3, which is equal to what? 3, 6, 36 degrees. This is the answer. We'll see next problem. Next problem is, if tan A is equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, that is less than 90 degrees, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. This is very simple if you use complementary trick. So here tan A is equal to cot B. I'm writing here tan A is equal to cot B. If we want to write tan in terms of cot, how we can write? Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So cot 90 minus A is tan A. So which is equal to cot B. From here I can say that cot can be eliminated. So 90 minus A angles can be equal here, because both the sides we are having the cot. So 90 minus A is equal to B. 90 minus A, which is equal to B. Here if you send this A to this side, what you will get? A plus B is equal to 90. Hence prove. This is very simple question, but you need to understand we have to use complementary relationship. We'll see next problem. The next problem is, if A, B, C are interior angles of a right angle triangle, interior angles of a triangle ABC, not right angle triangle, angles of, let's say any triangle ABC, then show that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. So here there is no right angle. Let us say something angle, something a triangle ABC. Let us say this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C. But we have a relationship that A plus B plus C, not A plus B plus C, this is angles. I mean to say angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So we can say here angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees minus angle C. Okay. Next, angle A, if you divide this equation with 2, that is angle A plus angle B by 2 is equal to what? 180 minus angle C by 2. So here, which is equal to what? 180 by 2 is 90, so it is equal to angle C by 2. So 90 minus angle C by 2. I am writing these without indicating angle symbol. It means it makes you confused. So A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 minus C by 2. Then apply tan on both sides. Let us apply tan, that is tan A plus B by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus C by 2. We know tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So which is equal to what? Tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot, because tan 90 minus theta is cot C by 2. So we have proved this question. So let us do one more. Okay, the next problem is, express sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. That means, what is the meaning of this question is, express this relationship. This is the trigonometric ratios relationship, but the angles are not lying this range. We need to convert these trigonometric ratios in terms of the other trigonometric ratios which are having a angles should lie in this range, that is 0 degrees to 45 degrees. We can use a complementary relationship here, so we can convert less than 0 degrees, less than 45 degrees and more than 0 degrees. How we can use 90 minus theta relationship? Sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. This is what they have given. We can write this sine 75 we can write in terms of sine 90 minus 15 degrees. If you write 90 minus 15, that is 75, plus cos, here 65 we can write 90 minus 25. This is 65. Here sine 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. So cos 15 degrees plus cos 90 minus theta is what? Sin theta. That is sine 25 degrees. So these 15 and 25 are lying between 0 to 45. You can write. So this is the answer for this question. Okay. Now let us summarize all the topics we have learnt in this under this topic. First one is sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, and in other manner you can remember like cos theta can be written as sin 90 minus theta, sin theta can be written as cos 90 minus theta, cot theta as tan 90 minus theta, tan theta as cot 90 minus theta, cosec theta as sec 90 minus theta, and sec theta as cosec 90 minus theta. And one more relationship from this problem, this is problem number 4 we have seen. This is tan A is equal to cot B, that is such that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. From this relationship we can conclude 3 things again, that is equal to tan, here we concluded that some tan A is equal to cot B, then A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, if sin A is equal to cos B, it is equal to, that means A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, if secant A is equal to cosecant A, that is cosecant B, that is cosec B, then also A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. From this relationship, let us go back to our summary table. What is tan 45? Tan 45, cot 45 are same. So tan 45, cot 45, 45 plus 45, 90, or tan 30, cot 60 are same. So sin 45, cos 45 same. Sin 60, cos 30 same. So this is one more conclusion we can draw. And one more thing is, if you let us say angle A comma angle B comma angle C or angles of triangle ABC. So then what are the possible relationships here from this question? This question I can say here we derive it as tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Similarly, sin A plus B by 2, what you will get? Cos C by 2. Here sec A plus B by 2, what you will get? Cosec C by 2. Similarly, for cosec, cos and cot also, that is cot A plus B by 2 is tan C by 2, like cos A plus B by 2 is sin C by 2, like cosec A plus B by 2 is sec C by 2. This is the conclusion we can make here. I hope you understand this video, you understand the problems we have solved, and you understand this conclusion topic I made here. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share with your friends.